Hello, my name is David and I'm the grandparent's pharmacist. On this channel, we try to make medication management for seniors a little less stressful and a lot more manageable. As our loved ones age, their bodies change and so do their medication needs. It's not just about new prescriptions. It's about how existing medications interact with each other and with their changing bodies. This can lead to unexpected side effects, decreased effectiveness, and even dangerous complications. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, especially when you're juggling work, family, and other responsibilities. You might be wondering, are these medications really necessary? Are they causing more harm than good? How can I make sure my loved one is taking them safely and correctly? These are common concerns, and you're not alone. Many caregivers struggle with the complexities of medication management for their aging parents. It can be a time-consuming and emotionally draining process, especially when you're not sure where to turn for help. Imagine trying to follow the instructions after a hospitalization, coordinating refills between multiple pharmacies, and remembering which pill needs to be taken with food and which one can't be crushed. It's like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle with missing pieces while juggling a dozen other tasks. And the stakes are high. Your loved one's health and well-being depend on it. This is where the concept of polypharmacy comes in. Polypharmacy is the use of multiple medications, and we're talking 5 or more by a single patient. While sometimes necessary to manage complex health conditions, polypharmacy can significantly increase the risk of drug interactions. Medications can interact in unexpected and dangerous ways, leading to decreased effectiveness, increased side effects, or even new health problems. Adverse drug reactions. The more medications a person takes, the higher the risk of experiencing side effects, some of which can be severe or even life-threatening. Medication errors. It's easier to make mistakes when managing multiple medications with complex dosages and schedules, especially for older adults who may have cognitive decline or difficulty remembering instructions. Reduced quality of life. Juggling numerous medications can be overwhelming and negatively impact a person's physical and mental well-being. Increased healthcare costs. Polypharmacy can lead to unnecessary expenses and hospitalizations, putting a strain on both individuals and the healthcare system. It's a vicious cycle. More medications can lead to more problems, which can lead to even more medications, but it doesn't have to be this way. A complete medication list is essential for several reasons. Preventing drug interactions. It helps healthcare providers identify potential interactions between different medications, including prescription drugs, over-the-counter medications, vitamins, and supplements. Improving communication. It facilitates clear communication between different healthcare providers, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding your loved one's medications. Ensuring accurate dosing. It helps prevent medication errors by providing a clear record of dosages and frequencies. Emergency preparedness. In case of an emergency, a readily available medication list can provide vital information to first responders. Follow these steps to create a comprehensive medication list. Gather all medications. Collect all prescription bottles, over-the-counter medications, vitamins, supplements, and herbal remedies your parent is taking. Record key information for each medication. Then make a list of the following: medication name, both brand and generic if available, dosage, such as 10 milligrams, 5 milliliters, etc., frequency, how often it should be taken, once daily, twice daily, as needed, route of administration, or should it be taken by mouth, topically, or by injection. For prescription medications, list the prescribing doctor and reason for taking the medication. Organize the information in an easy-to-read table or spreadsheet. Consider using a template. Check the description of this video for our own template free for you to use. Include contact information. List your parents' name, date of birth, and phone numbers, as well as the contact information for their primary care physician and pharmacy. Keep the list updated. Regularly review and update the medication list, especially after any changes in medications or doctor's appointments. So, grab those pill bottles and get started on your medication list today. This simple step can make a profound difference in your parents' health and your peace of mind. And that's it. You've just taken a crucial step towards safer medication management for your loved one. Remember, an accurate medication list is your secret weapon for preventing errors and ensuring everyone's on the same page. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips. We know managing medications can feel like climbing a mountain, but creating this list is a huge step in making it manageable. You're doing an incredible job, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. If you have questions or want to share your own tips, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Let's make caregiving a little easier together. If you have an idea for a follow-up video, mention it in the comments. For additional resources and personalized consultations, visit grandparentspharmacist.com. We're your guide through senior medication management.